Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by putting the image into your project folder and opening that folder in Visual Studio Code. Once done, open or create the HTML file where the picture will live. Make sure the file path is relative to the HTML file. This avoids path confusion. You should also confirm the image file name and extension exactly. Capitalization matters on some systems. Now, with the HTML file open, you are ready to insert the image tag and reference the file path correctly. You will add an img tag in the HTML body like img src equals /images/photo, JPG alt equals description, making sure the src uses the exact relative path from the HTML file. Once you place the tag, add width or height attributes to control display and include alt text for accessibility. Save the document. Visual Studio Code only updates previews after saving. Make sure to double-check folder structure. If your image is nested, to see the picture, run Live Server or open the HTML file in a browser. Visual Studio Code's editor view won't render HTML like a browser does. If you don't see the image, make sure the file was saved, confirm the relative path and file name exactly, and refresh the browser. One key troubleshooting tip: open the browser console or network tab. If you see a 404 for the image, correct the path or file name and refresh. Once fixed, your image will display as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.